again, and we're here with another episode of 0 to 60, where we cover all our products from Automotive Art. And today we are featuring our fuel injector plus intake valve cleaner, which is suitable for all gasoline applications. So if you're looking for something that's going to clean your fuel and your intake valves, if you're looking for more out of your fuel economy, then this is the product that you'll need to use. All you need to do, apply this to your quarter tank, or you could actually do it to a half tank of gas, and this is going to give you improved power and perfection in your fuel economy. Trucks, pickups, 4x4s, guys, we haven't left you out, because not only do we have this in the gasoline application, however, we also have it in our diesel application as well. This is Victor, and I'm gone in 60 seconds.